next morning.
It's the next morning. We're not feeling so good. Yesterday's makeup. Realising we have to drive 8 hours to Sydney. Do you not know why we stayed up until 3:30?
No, 3:30.
3:40 to be precise.
No.
Yes.
No.
We made it to our camp spot for the night, which is on the side of the road. We had a Macca's
really
for
nice
dinner.
too.
Yeah, it's cozy. It's got like toilets, which is good. But yeah, we've set the alarm for 5 a.m. tomorrow to start the car. See if it starts because yeah, it didn't start today again. We had to get the guys from RAC out to come and jump start it. So we've got an issue. But fingers crossed because we've been driving for like what, 7 hours now.
Yeah.
Hopefully
it's charged up enough.
We're like 3 hours away from Sydney, so and now we're gonna sleep because we are so dead.
Booked.
So much rain, oh my god. What a warm welcome to New South Wales.
Well, we got a nice one yesterday, but
Yeah,
now
story
the
has
real deal.
changed. God, and the wipers aren't working as well, which is fantastic. Oh, Jesus.
One eternity later.
It's not going as planned. Oh god, we tried to book a parking in the city. I accidentally booked it for tomorrow instead of tonight, and it's in Bondi. So we have to like get there, get the tram back. We're trying to check into our hostel. No one's here to check us in. We went, we got a drink each, but we're finally here. And look at the weather. So guys, so we arrived in Sydney like 2 days ago. And we finally moved to the room that we're going to stay in for this week. And I started my new job yesterday, and I'm like, I don't know if it's because I'm feeling like a bit under the weather. I actually had to call in sick today because I'm just feeling so tired, and I had a migraine when I woke up this morning. So I'm like, I'm a bit, do I want to be doing housekeeping again, or I want to look for a different job? But yeah, I'm not feeling too good, and it's been pouring down with rain since we got here, but today it's finally stopped raining for a little bit, and I couldn't even bring myself to leave the house this morning or even leave this bed. It's like 1 o'clock now, and I got myself a juice from this place on Uber Eats. Been waiting for it like over an hour, but I custom made my own one with like lots of vitamin C and ginger because I thought maybe that will help me get better. It's from Top Juice World Square, and I paid like $14 for this little thing, but I guess it was because it was like the delivery fee, but I'm gonna try it. I'm not expecting it to be too good, but it is. Oh my god, I think it's got orange, ginger, lemon and strawberry, I think I put. It's actually really good. Oh my god, this might save me today. I don't know if it's because I've been sick these past few days, but I'm really like, this is such a privileged thing, but I'm feeling so nostalgic and just like looking back at van life and everything we used to do, like living close to these beautiful beaches and just like missing being in nature and being far away from a big city, and now just moved to Sydney, and you know, just not knowing how long we're gonna be here. I didn't feel at home at my new job. I know I should just give it a week or so, but I'm just feeling so lucky to have lived this van life and everything, and I just really hope I can do it again soon. Tommy's on the phone to this auto electrician. Got a problem with Soozie. We're having to jump her every time we want to go somewhere. It's a Saturday today, so there's like barely anyone open, but we just had the RAC guy out here confirming that there's probably a few issues, one of them being the alternator, so we're in the process of trying to find a new one. Fun weekend. Yeah, we just got to keep her running. This is our little paid car park that we're parking at. It's currently a bit flooded. He's got the alternator out. He managed.
Shit, it only took all day.
Oh, and this is the new one. We're gonna try and fit it. Just eating cookies. We had to go to Super Cheap Auto to find a smaller screwdriver. So now we're just seeing if Tommy can do it himself. Fingers crossed. It's like we've been here all day and it's currently 5 to 6. We have had enough. It was a wrong part. It was the wrong part. Calls for beers.
Don't even want to talk about it.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about it. Finally, some sunny weather. We've got a little watermelon on Bondi Beach.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind?
We just went for a swim. The waves were crazy, but it's good. And then we got to go back to Repco to hand back the alternator before they close. He's doing it with his bare hands. Wow.
See,
Did sit.
we were on an island.
So it's the day before my birthday. It's the 28th of March and Tommy finished work and I've also been working today. It's a Monday and I've taken 3 days off work because we want to celebrate my birthday, and we're currently out in Bondi with the car a week later trying to fix it. We went to return the alternator because we got the wrong part, which wasn't our fault. So we had to go back, return it. So now we've got the new part back and he's taken the old alternator out. Tommy's gonna try and put the new one in. It's just started pouring with rain. How are you feeling?
Not confident, I'll tell you that much.
I believe in you.
The next morning.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you.
No. Aww.
Okay.
Go on then.
Wow.
Oh, that was cool.
I didn't realise I'd be so good.
That was cool.
Oh, this looks... I've already been so spoiled with breakfast on bed. We've got these lovely pancakes and cupcakes. They had candles in. And it's my 23rd birthday today and Tommy had lots of fun things planned, but it's all been like cancelled because of the rain. It's been so heavy rain recently and I think it's been pouring all night. We were going to go to the Blue Mountains. Hopefully we still will be able to go to the Blue Mountains even though it's raining, and yeah, fingers crossed Soozie works all fine. Yesterday we were trying to fix her and yeah, there were some like weird sounds that we haven't heard coming from her, and it's like impossible to know if changing the alternator fixed all the problems that she had. Fingers crossed everything will be fine. I'm gonna have a shower because I feel gross and I've got 3 days off work. I'm so happy about that. Tommy's on the phone to Tony. We're still trying to work out if anything's wrong with Soozie and just like doing the final touches before we can feel safe. Here we go. She's on. We're gonna go for a little drive. Tommy's been on the phone to Tony for a while. Thanks to Tony for always being there when we need our mechanical help.
Yeah.
Our guru, yeah. So we're gonna go for a little drive.
Oh god, I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too, but what's gonna happen? Like,
I could have got the hoses the wrong way around and the engine overheats.
oh. So we just drove for like 5 minutes, not even that, to the closest fuel station to fill up, and the temperature gauge on the car was going up and it's never gone past halfway, so we've always thought it was broken. But yeah, that was a bit concerning. So yeah, Tony said that we should maybe go take it to a mechanic. I don't even know if there's going to be a mechanic that can take a look at it today. Got engine oil and brake oil. We went to get some snacks from Woolworths because the car was just overheating and Tommy's done everything he can, so there's nothing else we can do. So now we're just having some food, trying to forget our problems. I got some spring rolls because I wasn't so hungry. We've been snacking all day. Tommy's ordering some dim sims, I think. So we decided to come here to Spice Alley to grab some food before the cinema. We're gonna go see a horror film. Can't remember what it's called, but yeah. We're gonna see X. Good morning everyone, it's the next day and yesterday the film we watched wasn't very good at all. It wasn't like what we expected. It was just really gory and kind of weird. Yeah, but it was, yeah, a creepy horror film, that's for sure. But now we're just getting up and we've booked in a time to look at 2 apartments in Manly. and we've missed this apartment. We've tried to go see this apartment like 3 times and we've missed it each time, so I don't know if that's a sign or not, but it's like in our budget, it's in a perfect location, and we just really want to go see it. So we're going to go see that one and another one. And I just...
We're in the same building.
Yeah, they're in the same building, which is good.
Cool area, just like right next to the ferry terminal.
Yeah, and we've made some breakfast. We got vanilla yogurt, some berries, granola, peanut butter.
Some strawberries.
Yum, yum. And we're gonna get going soon. We just found out that Geordie went out of Survivor.
Oh.
Very upsetting, but it actually looks really good. About to get on the ferry to Manly. Got our umbrellas. The sun has finally come out again. We finally made it on time. We've got our first viewing in about 10 minutes, so we're just watching some waves and watching the surfers, and then we're gonna make our way there. And then straight after that we have another viewing, which is exciting.
In the same building, so we don't need
Yeah.
to travel. We want to find a place to swim today, but the beach is closed.
Yeah,
So
but there's surfers out there. We could just go in.
easy on a board, but
We could just go in waist deep. I don't know, look at the sky. We found Kennedy, or Kenny. It's a sign. And I found my favourite flowers. How nice that is with the sun shining in though. Oh baby, look at this. So we just finished up looking at the apartments, and the first one was nice, but it was a bit like, I don't know, it was nice, but not the best. But
do-a-upper.
yeah, it had a bit of a damp smell, and it had like 2 windows in the whole apartment, so it was a bit dark. And then the second one was really nice, but I think it's just out of our budget. We would be saving not a lot of savings if we lived there. But now we're just at the beach because the sun is out and it's so good. I feel like we haven't seen the sun for over a week. Chilling out in the sun, and then we're gonna try and make our way a bit north and explore like DY and stuff like that.
Finally getting a bit of sunshine.
Tommy's got budgie smugglers. That was great. That was refreshing. Got an acai bowl. They taste like salt and vinegar.
Yeah, I've got salt and vinegar.
Good.
That's funny, isn't it?
We're in DY. We took the bus. Oh. It's just started pouring down. We're on our way to that big mountain thing over there. Lucky we bought our umbrellas. Oh my god. And the rain just started pouring when we were on our way to this little walk we saw. So we walked across the whole beach.
Yeah,
and now...
Because when we were in Manly, people were looking at us like, why have you got an umbrella out today? It was so nice.
Yeah, the weather is really temperamental today. Now it's raining again. It just stopped for like 2 seconds. But we're gonna put our shoes on. I'm gonna, because my bag is soaking, so I'm gonna put my raincoat around my bag. We made it to the top.
Oh yeah!
And it's like,
Through the elements, against the odds.
yeah. And there's like ocean around on all sides. Pretty cool. We're in the Contemporary Art Museum, having a little stroll. No. Stop it. We're in the botanical gardens. The sun just popped out after we went to the museum. So now we're just gonna sit under this tree for a while. The sun's about to go down. Well, it's like 5 o'clock, so maybe in an hour or so. So this is our little private room that we've got. Excuse the mess. We've got a little balcony, a tiny little fridge. It's a bit messy right now. We've got this long length mirror. So this, I'm not going to be wearing these shoes. I just wear them while I'm walking around the hostel. But this is my outfit for work. I'm working as a housekeeper again because I needed to get a hospitality job quick when applying for the hospitality or for the COVID visa. So I got this job. Been working there pretty much since we arrived in Sydney, and I was like, and then I was sick for a week, and I've just been, pretty much working since, trying to fix a car. I had my birthday, and it's been raining pretty much all the time. We just had 2 nice days of sun, but now it's raining again. But yeah, this is what I wear to work. It's an easy job, but it's hard on the body, and yeah, I've done 6 months of it in Noosa before. And they basically have hotels like all over the world, so it's really easy to transfer to different places and stuff, but I'm kind of tired of it now. And there's Tommy, and he's going to surf camp today with his job. I'm so jealous.
Yeah.
Will you get some videos so
Surf
we
camp?
can put them in the vlog maybe?
Yeah, I'll get some video.
Yeah, he's going with Welcome to Travel, guys. So if you do book onto the Welcome Travel tour, Tommy could be your tour guide. How cool is that? How cool is that?
Could be your guy.
We didn't even know that, like when,
No, definitely not.
like a few months ago. We only just found out really recently, but yeah, he's working with Welcome to Travel now. Pretty cool job compared to mine. I just thought I'd update you guys kind of on our little life in Sydney at the moment. It's kind of mundane right now. We're just kind of settling in, saving enough funds because we want to find an apartment, preferably in Manly. They're all really expensive, and yeah, we've applied for one but we got denied. So guys, I'm just sitting here editing this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, it's more one of those really raw, the reality sometimes behind life when you're traveling. It's not always all roses and sunshine. Is that the saying? Rainbows and sunshine? I don't know, but this was one of those periods in my life when I was like, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing with my life? But everything gets better, and obviously I want to be as raw and as real with you guys as possible, so I want to share these types of videos as well. And this was actually from, I want to clear it up that like this video isn't in real time. Like, I'm still really far behind on editing my videos, but I'm hoping that slowly I'll be able to like get into real time, so I can post like live updates on my YouTube as well. But yeah, current life update is that we're still living in Sydney, but we've got a big massive 6-week trip planned. So if you want to like know more about that, head over to my socials, because that's where I'll be posting like in real time. But we're visiting home, and we may also be visiting a few countries in Asia, which is very, very exciting. So head over to my socials if you want to check out some content from there. And yeah, I love you all so much. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to me. I know I'm not the best at updating on here, but I'm trying to get better, and it means honestly so much. Every one of you that has viewed this video, I love you all so much. Leave a comment if there's anything that you want to see, any videos you want to request, or any questions in general, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next one. Bye.